Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. Today's reading is going to be different, Virgos. For your present love situation, I'll be picking 3 cards, and for your future of this love, I'll be picking 3 more cards. So that is for your present and few more cards for your future, guys, and we will start with the cards for the present situation, Virgos. So let's see what are these cards for your present situation, guys. It's 9 of Moons, Initiate of Moons in reverse, and the Fool in reverse. So with these cards, guys, Virgos, for your relationship, the person you are with, they may not seem to be what they are, guys, on the surface. They are something different. So they are trying to trick you, get you into some kind of situation. Maybe they are looking for a superficial relationship, not that with that bond, deep connection and true love. So they may be cunning, trying to cheat you, and they are also quite careless, immature in the way they are. Maybe if you have true love, what they have may not be true love on you, guys, but what you have on them, if it is true love, things are going to change, guys, for you. So you will be in a very in a position, things will solve out. They may understand your worth, and they may come towards you with that truth, truth of your love. They may understand your true love, and they may change their ways, guys, if you have true love towards them. So that is what I see for your present, guys. Virgos, let us see what are these cards for your future situation, future of this love. So we have 2 of Suns, 2 of Spheres in reverse, and the Star. So I see positive things coming for you for this love, guys. Things are going to simply change. Maybe the beginning of this love may be something you did not expect. It would have started badly. Maybe some misunderstandings, quarrels, this person trying to dominate you, control you, or they would have tried to cheat on you. But where this relationship is going is something beautiful. You are simply going to be lucky today and lucky in future, guys. So things are going to go in a positive way for you for this love. You are seeing changes in this person, and they are going to understand you, and whatever that was not working, they are going to leave all that, leave all their habits, bad habits, whatever they had, and they are going to come with something important to tell you. They may be communicating to you. Maybe if you are in separation now, guys, in your present, you may see some important communication coming, telling you how much they love you, how much they miss you, and how much they miss your love. So things are going to take a very positive turn, Virgos. That is what I see with these cards, guys. They are going to understand your true love. And that is the reading, guys. If you like this reading, please like and comment. And if you want more of such readings also, please comment and let me know. I will be doing more of such readings in future, guys. Thank you for watching this video, Virgos. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.